Doing out there. This is a quick video on Dr. Umar Johnson and his daughter. His daughter came out saying that he's a deadbeat daddy. All right, he said he's not. I hope they get it together. All right. Matter of fact, I know they're gonna get it together. I believe that Dr. Umar is a good guy. I don't think he a deadbeat daddy. I think his daughter is hurt and she real emotional because her mama lied to her. Yeah, that's the only thing it could be. I think Dr. Umar loved kids, and I don't think that he would leave his daughter hanging. I think the mother lied to the daughter and ran away with the child, and Dr. Umar couldn't see the child. That's the only thing it could be, because I cannot see Dr. Umar not fighting for his child. Nah. I refuse to believe it. Not a Pan-African like Dr. Umar. No. So, I just want to say to Dr. Umar's daughter, your daddy love you. He love you. Give him a chance. Give Dr. Umar Johnson a chance. If you see this video, please give Dr. Umar Johnson a chance. You have an amazing daddy. You should be proud of your daddy. Whatever your mama told you, it can't be true. It can't be true.
King Kong consciousness. I got to get back to the United States and handle some domestic issues. I got to get back to the United Snakes and handle some domestic issues. I got to get back to Philadelphia and handle these domestic issues, brothers and sisters. You either with me or you ain't. No riding the fence. You either with me or you ain't. No riding the fence. Peace and Pan-Africanism, peace and Pan-Africanism. Peace and Pan-Africanism, peace and Pan-Africanism. Peace and Pan-Africanism, peace and Pan-Africanism. This your big brother, Dr. Umar Ifa Tunde, RB Jesus, Intercontinental Ifa Tunde. I'm heading over to the Pan-African restaurant. Come out, final meet and greet, the Last Supper, with the Prince of Pan-Africanism here in Stockholm, Sweden. Much love to all my Stockholm, Sweden Africans, my Scandinavian Africans. Nothing but love. 7 o'clock the night, Pan-African Ghanaian restaurant. Come sit and eat, chat, and chew. I got a couple books if you want to purchase one of my books. Book signing, photo. Come get your last photo. All my Scandinavian African queens, come get your last photo. All my Scandinavian African queens, come get your last photo at the Pan-African restaurant tonight, 7 until 9, Stockholm, Sweden. P-E-N-I-E-L African restaurant. P-E-N-I-E-L African restaurant. Google it, pull-up season, final event, first trip to Stockholm, Sweden. Next stop is going to be California State University, Long Beach, Black Consciousness Conference on Saturday. I said the next stop is California State University, Black Consciousness Conference, Long Beach. I said the next stop on Saturday, King Kong Consciousness is pulling up at California State University, Long Beach campus, Black Consciousness Conference, for the third time, family. Where my Los Angeles Africans at? Where my Los Angeles Africans at? Where my Long Beach Africans at? Where my California Africans at? I'm gonna see you Saturday. My third invitation. My first invitation, we broke a record. Biggest attendance ever for the Cal State University Black Consciousness Conference with King Kong. Then I pulled up a second time, and this is the third time, family. This is the third time, family. Cal State University, Long Beach, Saturday is going down. Where my FAMU Africans at? Florida A&M. Where my HBCU, FAMU, Tallahassee Africans? I'm pulling up again for the Black Psychology Conference Part 2, Cal State University Part 3, HBCU FAMU Black Psychology Conference Part 2, Selma, Alabama. Selma, Alabama. With my Alabama Africans, Selma, Friday, March 21st, Huntsville, March 23rd. Selma, Alabama, Friday, March 21st, Huntsville, Africa, Sunday, March the 23rd is King Kong. Hit the PayPal for Black Boys, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. Hit the PayPal for Black Boys, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. The restaurant tonight, Stockholm, P-E-N-I-E-L, African restaurant. It's a Ghanaian restaurant in Fleming's. Naya Musi, what's the name of that section? Fleming's Way? I think it's like Fleming's Way. You can email panafricanevents@gmail.com.